Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching how to use the running stitches to do gathers. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Like I said earlier, we'll be using running stitches to do gathers. I have this piece of fabric here that I would like to use to teach you how to do the running stitches for the gathers. I'll be drawing a line as the sewing allowance, then I will start the stitch above the line I draw and below the line I draw. So assuming my sewing allowance will be 1/2 inch, between this and this will be 1/2 inch. If my sewing allowance will be 1/2 inch, I will just draw the line and then stitch above the sewing allowance and below the sewing allowance. So before I start, I'll make a knot, which I've already made, and I'll leave an allowance of thread. And I'll pick my cloth as little as I can. Almost to the size of the machine stitch itself, so that my gathers will come out well. If you like, you can draw another line so that will guide you as to where to stitch. While stitching, you have to be very careful not to hurt your thumb with the needle. And it will be best to do it at the wrong side of the fabric. I'm done with the first row. I'll leave some thread allowance. I'll also make a knot. So I'm done with the first row. I'm coming to do the second one right below where I drew the line as sewing allowance that I ruled out. All right, so I'll do the same as I did with the first row, just picking it bit by bit. And I'll be leaving some allowance of thread. You need a lot of patience to do it well. In the absence of a machine, a sewing machine, you can always use your hands to do a goddess. Okay, so I am done with the second row. I'll cut the thread and I'll hold the two together to make a knot, and I'll knot this other side together. So this is the running stitches. Now I just have to pull it to form a goddess. It's almost like it's done by a sewing machine. So in this particular case, if you want to join it to anything, you know your sewing allowance will be in the middle. Okay, viewers at home, I hope you try it. And don't forget to like my video and also subscribe so that anytime I release a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye.